Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 GMC Acadia Denali. This one's white. Underneath the hood's a 3.6 V6 pushing out 288 horsepower. For wheels we've got 20-inch 6-spoke chrome wheels. Tires are in good condition. Denali badging on the side. Cocoa leather interior. Sunroof. Rear captain's chairs, rear climate controls, fold down third row seats. Acadia all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, Bose sound system, memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls, wood leather steering wheel, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, wood trim. This GMC has 64,272 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this GMC Acadia Denali, check out feldmannimports.com.